Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by collecting what matters. Model, one UI and app versions, then reproduce the bug once so you can describe it precisely. Open Samsung Members or Settings Support and choose Report a Problem to start. Attach screenshots and a short screen recording to show the issue. Once done, write a concise title and the first reproducible step, then save draft if you need to gather logs before continuing. You now add depth. Gather device logs and diagnostics. Use Samsung Members diagnostics or export logs through settings where available so engineers can reproduce the failure. Describe step-by-step how to trigger the bug, show expected behavior versus what happened, and note how often it occurs and exact timestamps. Also report whether the issue persists in safe mode or after restart. Make sure to attach. You finish by submitting the report with all attachments and a clear reproduction sequence. Include the log file and recording, then note the confirmation or report ID. Monitor the Samsung Members inbox for follow-up questions and allow remote diagnostics only if comfortable. If engineers ask for more data, respond quickly with exact steps and new logs. Troubleshooting tip: if nothing changes, back up your data and try a factory reset or safe mode test before escalating, then share.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.